Hi, it's Melissa from the Wanda Mount Pleasant Public Library, and I work in Young Adult Services, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a DIY confetti egg. One thing I have learned from 2020 is that we don't need a reason to celebrate, so we're going to celebrate whenever we want, and this is kind of a fun way to do it that's quick and simple. You need an egg, multiple if you want to do more than one, vinegar, food coloring, and then confetti. So we're using scraps of recycled paper and then some fun little like sequins doodads. And a spoon. Let me grab the spoon, it's right here. So to start, you have to crack your egg, and you have to be careful not to break your whole egg. So let's get started. I'm using a white egg because I am going to dye it, but you can use whatever eggs you have. I'm all about using what's in your kitchen. So you've got an egg, and you're supposed to crack the small side, so like the pointy end. And I'm going to just put it into this cup. If you are in a more equipped kitchen with like a garbage disposal or outside or somewhere, you can put it wherever, but we're gonna put it in this cup. You're supposed to use the end of a spoon, not the spoon part of the spoon, and just crack. See, I cracked a little too much already, but we'll crack it open. And then I use a popsicle stick. You can use a pencil to kind of help make the opening a little bigger and to break through the white of the the white of the egg. And then you get the insides of the egg out. So this can take a little bit of time. You'll shake it out. This is where the popsicle stick pencil comes in handy. I also think it's really great not to waste, so maybe you can cook something with this. Maybe make a couple and you can scramble some eggs. Okay, so we are going to get this all empty, and then we'll go on to the next step. Okay, the egg is empty. I rinsed it with water too, just to get all the egg insides out. And then to dye it, if you have like an egg dyeing kit at home, you can definitely use that. But if you want to make your own, it's equal parts vinegar and water. So I did half a cup vinegar, half a cup water, and then I did 20 drops of food coloring because I wanted it to be pretty like a richer color, less pastel. So you do this, and then you, just like you're dyeing an egg, plop it in. And then again, another popsicle stick to help sink it because it's pretty light without any yolk or egg whites in there. And then you let it set, let the color set. So I've already dyed an egg. Ta-da! And so now you're gonna get a little messy, going to very carefully, so we don't crack the egg, stuff the confetti inside. So I'm gonna pour some out. I was talking to a coworker, and she said that she's done it with glitter before, which would be lots of fun. With this in general, just be, I think, mindful of where you're going to smash the egg. You don't want it to like be a huge mess to clean up, or maybe you do, but just think about that. Like, think about if it's gonna be really hard to clean afterwards, or if you're gonna get, you're gonna do it in a place where you shouldn't. So we're mixing, we're using our recycled shredded paper. Looks like a bill. You can use whatever you want. You can use tissue paper. You can buy pre-made confetti, which would be really fun. We're gonna fill it pretty well. I let this, the color set on this for about half an hour. Obviously you can do more or less, whatever you want. And I kept it simple with blue, but obviously you can mix colors and make it magical, more magical than it already is. Okay, so this looks pretty stuffed. We can put a little bit more in. And then let's do, some of these are too big. Okay, so we've stuffed it, and then if you want to kind of keep all of the confetti inside, I cut a square of tissue paper that was blue, and you don't even need glue because the egg is still a little wet. It sticks to itself. And then you've got a self-contained confetti egg. And now all you have to do is find someone to celebrate whatever you want. Is it a Tuesday? Make a confetti egg. You know, President's Day, confetti egg. Made it to school, confetti egg. But probably don't do this at school. There you go. One thing we noticed was that if you don't get all of the inside of the egg out, it does make it a little harder to crack and have confetti explode. So you're going to try and really scrape and clean. It does make the egg more fragile, so, you know, it's a dangerous game. So just try and get as much of the yolk and the egg whites and kind of like that membrane off of the egg shell, and it'll really explode when you confetti it on someone. And always make sure that you're confettiing with consent. Okay, so now you've created your DIY confetti egg. You're probably wondering, what should I do with it? Melanie, why don't you show us?